Hi Dave, I'm going to make my measurements today and hopefully we can fit this with your wonderful motor.
Okay, the first thing we'll do is measure this hole. It's about 4.5 inches. Let's say right there, half mark, 4.5. And it does that, I guess it does that all, let's see, 4.5, 4.5. Let's take a picture of this. Now the space between this area and this area, this I just made, these I could take off, this I can actually cut and make bigger if I had to make bigger, because this is the actual frame of the bike. This is the holder for the battery, I guess. It doesn't look like it's doing much for the integrity of the bike, but I'm sure it helps. But I think I could cut this and make this bigger this way. Now this way I'd like to keep this wide so that I can close it off with the other panel on the other side. This could have a hole in it where the batteries would stick out. And let's measure this portion. This portion is, let's see, from here to here is 13.5 inches. 13.5 inches, and 17 going all the way there. 17, 13.5 to this area, that's the biggest portion. 14 squeezing it, 14 squeezing it, 15, 16 squeezing it, inches from the base. Okay, so there it is. The width would be about, I'd have to put the thing on there, but halfway, around halfway from this panel to the center of there would be about, this is about approximation, 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/8. 2 and 5/8. 2 and 5/8. 2 and 5/8. This area 10 inches, 9, 6, 10. These ones I measured earlier. From between the sprocket and then the rear. I took a photograph. This is the photograph. And this one is between the sprocket Okay, the measurement of this lead acid battery is 6 1/8 by 4 1/4, 4 1/4, 4 1/4 by 7 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 16ths. And this battery fits actually inside this way, but it sticks out the side on this side. I can afford to have it stick out on the other side too if I took this off, but we're trying to get it to fit inside this plate thing, so I'd like to have it fit inside. But if worst comes to worst, I'm taking this off, or making it bigger, wider, longer, wider, or taller, or wider, and taller. Alright, okay, that's it for now. Looking good.